Title 1. Obligations. Chapter 1. General Provisions. Article 1156. An obligation is a juridical necessity to give, to do, or not to do. Article 1157. Obligations arise from 1. Law. 2. Contracts. 3. Quasi-contracts. 4. Acts or omissions punished by law. And 5. Quasi-delicts. Article 1158. Obligations derived from law are not presumed. Only those expressly determined in this code or in special laws are demandable, and shall be regulated by the precepts of the law which establishes them, and as to what has not been foreseen, by the provisions of this book. Article 1159. Obligations arising from contracts have the force of law between the contracting parties and should be complied with in good faith. Article 1160. Obligations derived from quasi-contracts shall be subject to the provisions of Chapter 1, Title 17 of this book. Article 1161. Civil obligations arising from criminal offenses shall be governed by the penal laws, subject to the provisions of Article 2177 and of the pertinent provisions of Chapter 2, Preliminary Title, on Human Relations, and of Title 18 of this book, regulating damages. Article 1162. Obligations derived from quasi-delicts shall be governed by the provisions of Chapter 2, Title 17 of this book, and by special laws.